Hello, dear friends. First of all, thank you very much for your recognition of Vortrixe. We are also very much looking forward to our future cooperation. This is a twin-cylinder gasoline engine model. This is the fuel tank. Add gasoline and engine oil, mix them in a ratio of 30:1, and then use. This is the carburetor and choke valve. It can spray a mixture of air and fuel. When we find that there is no fuel in the oil pipe, when starting the engine, we can block the air intake with our hands, allowing the engine to use the negative pressure created by the pistons to pump fuel into the combustion chamber, thereby successfully starting the engine. Once the fuel enters the combustion chamber, you can stop blocking the air damper and start the engine smoothly by adjusting the choke valve. As can be seen, there are two magnets on the flywheel of the engine. Its function is to work with the sensor at the bottom so that the spark plug ignites only when the piston is at top dead center. This is where the sensor goes. Keep in mind that it has to be right under the flywheel. When the magnet on the flywheel passes by, the piston is at the top dead center, and that's when the spark plug fires. When the sensor detects a magnet passing by, it transmits a signal to the CDI ignition device. The CDI will activate the spark plugs for ignition. Please note, these two spark plugs do not fire simultaneously because the pistons in a twin-cylinder engine move up and down in opposite directions. Once everything is ready, we can turn on the switch. At the same time, we need to adjust the damper to assist in starting.